nakapsot. And we're back. And of course, you're still with your Manong June. Together with John Mark, dito lang ako kasamitan ng radio station the entire Cagayan Valley, 97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago City. Nagsam 8. And iti oras alas 2:10 iti malam. Iti oras sagot kada tayo. Iti Agri-Component Corporation nga masarakan sa Jai, Kawayan City.
Barangay Tagaran.
Ang Adda po di branches na iti na mga paset iti
Isabela, Santiago, Tibatog City Hall.
Oh.
J. Rojas Sabay.
And special request ni Kapsat Aida Pasqua Clinton kung na ating JM pahikantaman ti sunata nga perfect kung na
perfect.
Tatay na pala ang request. And thank God bless, I finally have a signal kung na ni Manen.
Okay, kay Melvin, ingat.
Okay, and of course kay anak ko nga ni Makmak Toledo is also watching. Siguro awan ti puunan na dahito eh.
Baka madama shot na di Red Horse.
Hello, KARRUBA, request ko mo today. I Need You Now by Lady Antebellum
Oh my
from
goodness.
Clenel Jojo Kin. Okay, we will be doing that later on after this piece.
Oh my goodness.
So here is something from Ed Sheeran.
I found a love.
And happy Father's Day to my Nino Raymond Espidol.
Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know it'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see a future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
As requested by our Kabsat Adda Pascua Clinton of US. And of course, happy Father's Day to Kuya John Timpog and Brian Kabakungan from Kadawas family of California. And hello, KARRUBA, request mo today, I Need You by Lady Antebellum as requested tatay. And happy Father's Day to Manen June. Good day, adding JM. Tayo Manilocano to dance with my father, pero na kansyon tatayin. And pag naman ito ay
ito yung text line, Matt.
Anak ko na
nasa pag malam yung Kuya June Ken JM kablawak panti taga Cheers Mart Maine nga ni bakit ko Devora Grace Aquino coming from Jonard ng Purok 7 Divisoria, Santiago City. Apo na ka doon. Greetings. Greet ko nga po asawa ko, happy Father's Day kay Roberto Jr. at sa biyanan ko, Roberto Sr. At si Velasco kay Jomar from Berlin of Ranyag. FDD Camp 3 Canon Road, Mang John and Jomar. Nakita namin sa Facebook may bumagsak na malaking bato. Ano naman? Apo, nagadayo mo. Malaking bato na bumagsak sa sasakyan ng Fortuner. Apo, kawawa na nakasakay na bagsakan. Perfect. Kakan-kanta lang di perfect. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Binabati ko po mga pinsan ko sa Rizal. Nagtatanim ng palay. Sina Jemar Baychong, Roland Manuel, Jeric Baychong. Tapos na ba nyo magtanim? Ano naman? Matulog muna kayo. Mainit mga insan. Iitim kayo niyan. Para kasi nga po perfect. Or dying inside at having in near me. Apo na it's me, Mary Jane Malake. Ng Turod Sur Cordon, Isabel. Mix Club. Happy Father's Day, Papa Joel. Yaman nakti tainalaga na lagaan na kami kaya nga kakabsat. I love you, Papa, from Josh. Happy Father's Day, Papa Joel Takaban from 3 brothers of your kids. Jerome from Adda Jones, Isabella request ko po, I can't stop loving you. I can't stop loving you. Alright. Hello, greet ko nga po asawa ko ng Happy Father's Day na si Selvino Linyan at si tatay ko Manuel Meriales. Oy, ano Seriales? Meriales ng Fugu. Jones Isabel, it's me Marites Linyan ng Sindili, Santiago City.
Wow, talaga ng katadong greetings. And kanta nyo man yung Top of the World. Kung naman, ulit ulitin da.
Naipag-ulam FDD ken Happy Father's Day, Sir Jun. Kablawak man namin nga amay ti Lasalet of Ramon, batch 1997. Ngay pang panguluan ni Dr. Derek Macabeo. Viskara kan agraman nga ama ila LSR Alumni Association kang ronaan kini Vice Mayor Melvin Cristobal. Toy Gabkablao Sherwin de la Cruz Palak. Lasalet of Ramon, batch 1997.
And kung na nating Ella, Kuya, pa-request mo tayo, Be My Lady. Thank you po, Kuya.
Be My Lady.
Okay. Nanta pa ito ay Picture Perfect Memories nga request ito tayo. Need You Now by Lady Antebellum.
Agoyak-oyak snacks.
Wow.
Bansa yan. Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor. Reaching for the phone, kiss I can't find it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quarter after 1. I'm all alone and I need you now. It's a quarter after one. I'm a little drunk and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I'm lost on control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. Oh, oh, yes, I'd rather hurt than feel nothing at all. It's a quarter after one. I'm all alone and I need you now.
Yeah, I say I wouldn't call, but I'm a little drunk and I need you now.
And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. I just need you now. Oh, baby, I need you now.
Okay, Kuya request naman today, Remember When from J.R. Alberto of Raniaga, Ramon, Isabella, and yes, another one. Oh, kanay, napukaw mo today.
Yan.
Napukaw. Aha, good PM greet ko nga po. Si Lito Lones ng Happy Father's Day at the request po ng Sign of the Times. Thanks po from the phone, Carino. Sign of the Times. And may sabay, request nga po yung duatang mi Kuya June, Ken JM coming from, Jonard Aquino. Pwede kami na idugtong tatay nag-greet na. And so, as requested by Ading Ella, katapada sa mga kansunan, if I can still remember this piece after, ano ba yan, napanawal nga ko lang ang kanta po tatala.
Sige, pumasok pala, Karod.
Okay.
From Peter Marquez Jr. Hello, Karruba na yung baga malamyukin kada gini amin nga dingdingag kada kayo. Paikanta Kuma Jay Through the Years by Kenny Rogers. Isagot ko kin Mrs. ko ni Judith Marquez Jay Baguio City from Korea. Da? Hey, my lady.
Bansa, medyo nalipata ka ito yun ating Ella, pero let me do this for you and for the rest of the members and officers of 4 Decade Duo Hong Kong Chapter.
Ganda na kami muna panalitan. Yun, busy kayo. Kaya Marco season na tayo, Martin
it's,
Rivera.
Martin Rivera.
Napi version ni ko to Jason D.
Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Some things on your mind, is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls survive us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady, you're the one that I adore. So please believe me, I can never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine in each moment. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and mend the brand new start. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life, just like a work of art. My love will last until forever. Just like a work of art, my love will last forever.
Daragas ni Kuya Joseph.
As requested by ating Ella Benadero, sabi ko mata makabiro kamutan iti pangibagaan iti Be My Man.
Be your man.
One, I'll be your lady kung kunam kumamot
One.
na ading ko. May kami to makibalsi mo di jay Ilocos. Oh.
Time man I write the songs, bayaw. From Kuya Joseph to rap. Kanta ni ko Barry Manilow, di ba?
Po, may isa pa yung English class.
I write the songs. Nagmajimit lini ko kay Stephen Peso. Ano man na mo nga kinantanan.
Padasin tang abirukan.
Aji, di ba di may kanto di Monday? I've been living all my life.
Kita launa yung akan kansyon.
Shadows of men, sing over the window, try to realize the night goes into.
Ano di request? I write the songs.
I write the song.
I write the song. Tabirukan tabi.
Barry Manilow. Kaya Joseph, ano naman di mo nang kinantanan ni Stephen Payson? Di tawag ng tangalan na di finals today.
The first piece na kinantana,
Yes.
it's the
What?
that's it.
Da?
DJ awan sama. Mamasa ka ba lang kada kita
Sige.
ana duma-duma nga sunod.
Pwede po pa-request ng Dive by Ed Sheeran. Happy Father's Day sa mga kapatid ko na sina Attorney Zeng Villaflor, June Villaflor, and Resty Villaflor. Thanks and more power from Loris Villaflor. Konamit ni Joe Aydatan.
Sige, diretso lang nga for my Everest.
Happy Father's Day sa Papa ko in Heaven, Mr. Pablo Pamitan, currently viewing in Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. From Jorin Pamitan.
I'll be alive forever.
Apo?
And I wrote the very first song. I put the words and the melodies together. I am music and I write the songs. I write the songs that makes the whole world sing. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that makes the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. within you, and I've got my own place in your soul. Now when I look out through your eyes, I am young again, even though I'm very old. I write the songs that makes the whole world sings. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that makes the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. Oh, my music makes you dance and gives the spirit to take a chance. And I wrote some rock and roll so you can move. Music fills my heart. Oh, that's a real fine way to start. It's for me, it's for you, it's from you, it's for me, it's a worldwide symphony. I write the songs that makes the whole world sings. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that makes the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. I write the songs that makes the whole world sings. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that makes the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. I am music and I write the
Para naman dito somewhere down the road.
Kataman.
Balik kabisado.
Actually, those are old classic songs of the 80s.
Barry Manilow.
Damdaman to.
Nag-text ng Gina.
And of course, brother, shout out here, pakibati, happy Father's Day kini Jowa, kuna naman nga ni Reynaldo Paet. Thanks you. Thank you, Unay from Kabsat Sharon Paet. My ever dearest sister in
Right Agri.
Right Agri, ayan. Po nagsimpat na ito yung Kabsat together with Ma'am Jennifer of
Lamot.
Of Sati, ayan, gasoline station, and of course Bonchon sa Jai Bang Nueva Vizcaya.
Bang ana, bambang.
Bang arod, Bang Nueva Vizcaya. Ayan, so to you, Kabsat, happy Father's Day. Kinila kay mo. Ayan. And napay ko na ni kamanang kung arihina. Kita manalipatak nag-thank you kini Kapitan, ken Kapitan nami, nga kumpare, ken kumare laeng. Isu da Mr. and Mrs. Borromeo Beltran, nga adulugan na, nga nagbunbunag laeng ito tao. Thank you, pare and mare.
Oh, we have to write love at the wrong time.
You want to sing the one?
No, because I
What?
don't kabisado it.
Oh, you must kapusadoing that because they get a hang mamapuko da kita.
Eso garod.
Sonata.
Basak pa lang. Kanakan jam, great ko
Ano
man.
nga song? Ano ka na?
Somewhere down the road. Kanakan jam, great ko man nilakay ko Joey Lanuza at Happy Father's Day. Love you, Papa. Kuna na, coming from your nasangipan nga bakot mo. Gina Lanuza, over niya.
Wow.
Agiyaman nakbayaw ti panang kantam di request ko from Kuya Joseph. Happy Father's Day po at sa tatang po from Richard Valdez. Hello po from
Richard
Mamaw na sa
Valdez,
Bawang.
nag-text si Sunat okay, may saka dagiti mga ayos ka dagiti Miss Ramon dagiti.
Ay, ni Rika.
Rika.
Ay, iso
Pilipino.
manang Rika. Apply Jack Awitan po. Nalpas na tayo.
Nalpason na tayo na po. Sublianam dagiti na palabas, dagiti arimpadok, iti naglalabas na manggagam dagiti kawitan.
Manang request na kuman, Your Love by Alami Dagyaman.
Somewhere. Okay.
Request ko man, Jai Danis song. By Kenny Loggins. Thanks.
Kenny Loggins. Di ba iti sa baka dati mading nga nasaya at nga partner tay natangken nga hanga na imas kada di Kenny Loggins ka man.
Uli ka mo dyan.
Badi mamalay?
Badi.
Kinaging ko na to kumano Kenny Loggins ko naman
natang. Ata somewhere downtown north mo din.
Agor ka tabirukan tada jay lyrics ko ti somewhere.
I've been living all my life. Partisok to mo nagyan.
I know this.
Somewhere down Ramon. Somewhere down Ramon. No bigat ti fiesta amin. Apang kayo agbuya iti bigat.
Okay, nga tas requested by John Mark. Apa nga sikat na nag-request ito ay?
Kuna tanong medley ni Barry Manilaw.
Barry Manilaw.
Woohoo! Gitara. Favorite lang talaga kita. All this but goodies.
We had the right love at the wrong time.
Taramnam.
Guess I'll always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time.
Ikidam ko pa lang.
Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own, so you can find your way back home. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go is just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. 'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with.
Sila tayong pagpakan sumukan niya balong.
medley ka rin.
Ano si kamot yung pinakansyon ko eh.
Actually,
one of the best song of Barry Manilow para kanya hangadagitang kanta.
Mukon. Hiding inside myself. Hiding inside myself.
Ang mga Barry Manilow na jay hiding inside myself.
Ano nga? Ay, Kenny Rankin
jay.
Ano man yung kanta ni Barry Manilow? Aji ko, she's a great little housewife.
May sapay na ita. But one of my favorite song of Barry Manilow is
sige,
this
tirang
one. Nalipat alati ko na ito. Sampol alang baro nalipat ako. This one is the best.
Oh my love, you were the only one. Now you're gone and I'm alone.
Di ba di? Lumaya.
All my friends, they say what's done is done. I pretend, but deep inside I know. If I should love again, if I found someone new, it would be make-believe. For in my heart, it would be you. And though I'm over close and want now and then, I still be loving you if I should love again.
Gusto sa ito jati dug instrumental na.
Adite, bayag atang malpas iso nga damdaman tulatan.
Di ba so ito jati dug instrumental?
And 3 days
tapos
the instrumental na dito.
I should love again.
Kunana. Okay, ngarod. Apo, nagadayuman din nagtarayan iti programatan. Those were the undying hits of Barry Manilow. So ano kayo ti ag-relax basit no kayong no atay kayo ti agpakamatayan denggay lang apo dagiti sunapan ni Barry Manilow ta. Matuluyan kayo iti kinakasang dagiti istorya iti kankansyon na. Kasla kumada jay Sandra nga so nga kantana agi talaga nga nagpakamatay di babae. Oh, manong June ating kanta nyo The Power of Love. Ulit kumanti Happy Father's Day ni ating ko June. Ay ako Christopher Contawe to'y manang da Nora kunana. Oh. And Happy Father's Day kinitatang ko nga dan di Heaven and kuya di mamalipatan ken kinasing po na hindi nabiyag pay kuya ka-request ko man tay Bed of Roses amok amuyo isong ati request ko. Thank you ken adding it's me Norma Bermudez apo ta agsasaro numot ti text message na sigaman pay
Nembangal daw yung manong June pagit man ni Janing Grakaya. Iti pagrangayan. Kiniti family Pascuagan Iglesias paragas munjay kanta nga Grakaya. Sagot ko kini Johnny. It's me Ares Pascua.
Siguro ka. Agi di may isa lang di message na.
Happy Father's Day ken Papa ken pakibati kami ngagdingdingay kanyayo. Kape tayo. Apo dure nagpulot ti panawon napakan Sion Jay Arak from Jeje ng Jones. Favorite ko nga Barry Manilow kot I Made It Through the Rain. Anya ibagbaga ni Barry Manilow no magnaiso na jay kaduan tihaan na makakit kita. Bari kuna.
Una. I made it through the rain. Kuna naman.
Aya.
Dapat may isang version na tanga I made it through the rain, Kuya Emil. I made it through the rain. Somehow I made it through.
Hindi ko maata.
Sino?
Like a faction.
Wow.
That's for the very first time. Ni ko Madonna.
Madonna. Naglala ko di sangwanan ti munisipyo.
Sino man
di ka mamate.
Sino man na dyan?
Ni Madonna Flores. Di ka lang.
Nalala ko na.
Ajing abay ni ko ni manang ni kapsa ang babit di kurang na si Roxanne na.
Ay ni Mama Madonna.
Madonna dyan.
Madonna ya?
Ay
bakit?
Ay inang na ni Madonna dyan.
Aya.
Ni Cindy Lauper yun ang na. Ano ba?
Puro artista.
One, Cindy
foreign.
Lauper. Of course, itatang na ni Fernando Poe.
Ano ni Kenny Loggins?
Fernando Porres.
Tilad na.
Oo. Ano ba yun? Okay, siya rin lang ano rin ti
Manilo.
Manilo. May sabi nga Manilo?
Si kakanta mo.
Mari Manilo. Here's another piece from Mari Manilo.
Mari Manilo.
And Dikit-dikit ko na kung kaya nagpakamatay. Dinggin nyo lang ato eh. Sige.
She's a great little housewife, but sometimes she talks like a fool. But she helps at the store in the holiday rush, and she picks up the kids after school. And she puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife till she feels the world's hanging between them, and she hangs by her words to her life. She says, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it, it's suicide. Oh, there might have been time to be me, for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. She's a sweetheart, except when she's moody. Oh, it's hard to get through to her then. Depressed for a while when the youngest was born. Oh, but that happens now and again. She might think of a drink with the housework. Oh, when Michael stepped late at the shop, a martini or two before dinner, but she always knows when to stop. She says, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done an suicide, oh, there might have been time to be me, for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. Oh, they used to hold hands at the movies. Now it's seldom, if ever, they go. Once they paid for the theater and park in the car. Oh, there's no money left for the show. She was doing the dishes when the glass fell and broke on the tile, and she cut her wrist quite by mistake. It was real touch and go for a while. She said, oh God, I love my husband and I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I ought, I might have been time to be me, for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed.
Okay, it's 10 minutes before the hour of 3 p.m. KARRUBA.
nagsaw ka pa eh. Waday say kantina, sin igid di kalsada, sin banda na edhalsema. Ay anpay banbantayan di mistisa ay palasang napintas na po daw iman. At aday mang aram, pamaro ay gogowapo, pagdaamin formado. Watak pa'y wad ko midkid po ya o watak pa'y iit ko, balasang ay naamo. Naagdagsan mo kat ko, nanabagsan kidit ko. Dugo ba'y isang inilak, sexy ay parang aw-awak, ya po yung ay magkikilang. 9 minutes before 3 p.m. At diyak minamnama ay sakang bawlay doon na unbalasang anharsema. Umiguyo diyan kanana ay kaat naman inumta, dilay dakduduwata. Pinmatong sila misaan, ginaw at ng botelya, nagpunsiyan ng pusag na. Dadag ko digayang gan ko, kamamaktat sa niyas-yas ko, tanamalian mo itokdo. Naagdagsan mo kat ko, nanabas ang kiday ko. Bugaw ba'y isang inilak, sexy ay panag-aw-awak, yapuyang ay mankikilang. Naagdagsan mo kat ko, nanabas ang kiday ko. Bugaw ba'y isang inilak, sexy ay panag-aw-awak, yapuyang ay mankikilang.
Okay, once again, thank you very much for staying with us up to this hour. And this has been your Manen June Seriales together with John Mark.
Pastor Operator!
Until next Sunday, KARRUBA, with our program entitled
Adda kami Manen.
Dito laing kasamitan ng radio station Tentayl, Cagayan Valley, 97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago City. Nagsami! Then here is our last piece, a song entitled Sissy Wait. Yan, tumada tayo, amen. naman ng Nelly. Kapsat Nelly, I should say. Sponsor ni Padomi for today. Thank you so much. And good night.
Good night.
Good night kata kita DJ sa mga lugar. Good day kata kita Aldo Pelaang. And God bless everyone. Kikita tayo muna next Sunday. Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Goodbye.